Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by moving immediately to the Chuck E. Cheese area. Speed matters. Once there, check the event timer and equip a stealth-oriented loadout so you can search without drawing fights. Make sure to prioritize mobility and at least one heal. This prevents time loss while looting. Start sweeping perimeter doors and vents methodically because keys spawn in predictable rooms near animatronics. If a fight breaks out, disengage. Preserve the run so you can finish the key hunt efficiently. Once inside, adopt a clockwise sweep to avoid rechecking areas and to keep track of cleared rooms. You should search cabinets, drawers, and under counters with quick, decisive checks. Move on immediately if empty. Make sure to use audio. Animatronic noises often indicate nearby key spawn points, so follow sound cues when possible. Keep an eye on high-probability spawns like the kitchen, prize counter, and backstage. Prioritize these so you maximize chance of finding a key before the circle forces you out. When you find a key, use it on the corresponding lock right away and clear the surrounding area first, because other players often camp exits. Once unlocked, grab the objective and plan a quick extraction route. Make sure you have a mobility option ready to reach the nearest exit or vehicle before the timer expires. If you don't find a key, reset your pattern and recheck corpses and hidden vents where players drop keys. This troubleshooting step recovers lost keys and keeps your run alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.